Dear friends, good morning. I am Professor Kamal Jaiswal from Ambedkar University, Lucknow. Today I am going to talk to you about the biomimetics. Actually, it is the very new field. Why I am talking about the biomimetics? Because nowadays you have been listening that people are saying every now and then, don't copy, don't copy, don't copy. But I am here to say copy. Keep on copying. Please copy the nature, not the others, because nature have the best ideas. Now, nature's secret, if you will go for the nature secret, it resolves a revolutionary idea. There are very much revolutionary idea from where we can take the designs for biotechnology, medicines, and by taking those ideas, we can design new drugs and genes. Because if we are copying the nature, it used to improve the quality of life if by taking design ideas from nature. Biomimetics, it is the basic new field which reflects to the study of the nature, best ideas from the nature, and then copying it for the welfare of the society. Smith first coined the word biomimetics in 1957, and then Jack E. Steele of NASA that coined the word biomimic in 1960. Why I am saying to copy the nature? Because in nature lot of trial and error has been done in 385 billion years period, and out of that 99.9% of the rate were failure, only 0.1% was the rate of success, and of which we are the results. Therefore, by copying the best designs of the nature, we can do a benefit to the human population. Now, what to copy? We can copy the forms of the nature, process of the nature, and ecosystem of the nature. The biomimetics can be used in the field of architecture, arts, medicine, and engineering. So please keep on copying, because by copying the nature, we can do the best for our society. Who was the first to copy? He was Leonardo da Vinci. He was inspired by the birds and he created the aeroplane. So keep on copying. Thank you.